Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Crypto Vision. It's Friday night. We're going to take a look at the top 6 crypto coins. We've had a bit of a pullback. I do apologize for not being on yesterday. I was feeling a little under the weather. Still a little bit rough, but I am feeling better today. I've just been coughing so bad it's hard to even speak. So if I don't do a show, that's probably what it is. My allergies are kicking my butt right now. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on. It looks like a good number of the coins are green right now. EOS is your number 6 coin as usual. You got a market cap of 5.479 bill. You're at about 601 a coin. You're up 0.39%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. Hold on, that's doing it again. Okay, EOS 24-hour chart. Perfect. Okay, your 24-hour chart is looking pretty good, actually. We started off the day at about we started off at about $6, retraced down to about $5.98. Just kind of ping-ponging back and forth. I'm going to call today's low to about 581, it looks like. And so far your high for EOS, God, this is moving so slow. Let's call 604. 604 is going to be your high, and let's see, 579 is going to be your low. So EOS is looking pretty good, guys. EOS is holding its own. We've had a bit of a pullback, but it looks like we're starting to recover again. I myself sold out yesterday of Ethereum. I made a nice little profit, but I have since gotten back in again. I got a little bit more than what I got last time. I spent some of my profit from my Litecoin investment. So, you know, hopefully we'll keep going up. But I just kind of have a feeling that tomorrow we're going to take another bit of a dip. Because typically on Saturdays, we do take a dip. So, your next coin is going to be Litecoin. Litecoin. You're the number 5. You got a market cap of about 5.487 bill. Right now, we're up at about 88.75. And we are up, let's see, 0.02%. So not very much for Litecoin right now. Take a look at your 24-hour chart. If my computer's running a little bit slow, I'm mining right now. So I do apologize for that. Take a look at your 24-hour chart. And your 24-hour chart started out the day at about 88.84. Then you kind of retraced down to about 87.90. Then you kind of popped again here. Let's see. Guys, this is so painfully slow I can't hardly get it to do anything. Let's see. God, this is just not hardly. This is in slow motion. I know we touched about 89 today, so we're going to call that the low since I can't get the stupid little ball on there. And then your low is going to be this thing is just not working. Okay. 84.98 is your low. Let's try this one more time. Yeah, I'm just not going to be able to get it on there. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's see. Over here so far, yeah, you got to about 89, so looks like 91. Let's see. I don't know what is it. Okay, yeah, looks like about 91 is your high, and your low is going to be about 84.98. So Litecoin's looking pretty good, guys. I think what we need is a couple of days of good consolidation right now. Build momentum for your next bull run. But I think we are going to hang out in the 80 to 90 range for a while, barring another big pullback. I'm thinking we're going to start hanging out around 100 real soon. We will see $125 Litecoin again. It's just going to take some time. Let's go ahead and move on to the next coin, which is Bitcoin Cash, which is doing really well right now. Let's go ahead and do the whole overall market. Your overall market right now is at 233 bill, looks like. You got a total market volume of about 95 bill. And a Bitcoin dominance of about 56.3% looks like. I'm blind as a bat. I do apologize for that. Okay. Okay. And Bitcoin Cash is your next coin for number 4. You got a market cap of about 6.553 bill. You're at about 368.41, and right now you're up let's see, 0.48%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. Gosh darn it. Sorry this takes so darn long. This thing is so temperamental. And if you don't have it just right, it will not cooperate. Especially when this stupid thing is mining. Okay. Oh, damn it. Oh, man. Try it one more time. I may have to turn my darn mining off on this. Yeah, I can't deal with this. This is not working at all. Okay. Bitcoin Cash. Try it one more time. I do apologize for that. Perfect. All right. I do apologize for that, guys. Let's see your 24-hour chart here. You started out the day at about 363.06. Then you kind of ping-ponged a little bit. Retraced down to about, let's see. I don't know why this silly thing is not cooperating. Okay. Let's see. Well, I'm just, for some reason, I am not able to get this stupid thing. Hold on. So we're going to call 348.36 your low, or 347, I'm sorry. And so far your high will be about 366, 367. So Bitcoin Cash is looking pretty good, guys. I do apologize, this equipment is not working correctly. Let's take a look at your next coin here. It's just running very, very slow for some reason. XRP is your number 3 coin. You got a market cap of about 16.187 bill. And you are now at 38 cents a coin. And you're down 0.02%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour chart. Hopefully this doesn't take 2 hours. Okay. Take it just a moment here. Okay. We started off the day at about, let's see, $0.38. Then we kind of retraced down to about let's call it 37 your low, and then you kind of just ping-ponged around a little bit. All the way to about 38. So you've been hovering around 37 and 38 cents today, guys. XRP is a bit, call it consolidation phase right now. A couple of days ago, you got up to about 43, 44 cents. So XRP is really poised right now to make a breakout. You're going to consolidate out, I think, for another couple of days, maybe another week. Then I think you're going to start seeing new highs again. You're going to get to the mid 45, maybe mid 50 range if this momentum keeps up. XRP is looking really good, guys. Let's take a look at your next coin here. And again, I do apologize for the slow movements here. Okay. Okay. Ethereum is going to be your number 2 coin. We got a market cap of 25.694 bill. Right now we're at about 242.14. And we're up 0.20%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour. Now I can tell you, actually, I've been watching Ethereum all night. I sold out, like I said earlier, at about 255, I believe it was, and I took profits, and I used some of my profits for my Litecoin that I had. I'm out of Litecoin at the moment, but I took some of those profits, and I got 1.1 Ethereum. So I'm just going to kind of hold on to it maybe for another couple of hours, see how it does tonight. I mean, I just have a feeling, you know, everything is way overbought. All this is right now is just kind of like, you know, when you have a pullback, you'll always have a little bit of a bounce back. This is kind of like the bounce back right now. I just have a feeling tomorrow we're going to have a red day. I hope I'm wrong. But I do believe we're going to have a red day tomorrow. We're going to have a pullback. So I'm almost considering possibly maybe getting out and just waiting to see how it goes tomorrow, but I'll let you know what I do. But Ethereum is looking pretty good right now. How far it's going to go down, I want to say if we have a really violent pullback, I don't see us going past 190, maybe 180 at the lowest. But I think we've built us a pretty good support level above 200. So we're going to be hanging out between 200 and 240 for a while. And I think you're going to see a $300 Ethereum again. It's just going to take some time. But things are looking really good, guys. I'm going to call your high for Ether today. Or your low for Ether today. 229.32. Your high 240.26. Actually, guys, I'm going to call 245 your high because I know it got up to 245. I was watching it on my phone. So Ethereum is very overbought right now. You know, just like me, be very wary of it. Let it calm down a little bit if you're going to jump in and spend a lot of money on it. If you're a guy like me that don't really have thousands of dollars into it, like if you just got a couple of $100 into it, then you can kind of afford to wait it out. But if you're somebody that's like one of the high rollers that spends a shit ton of money, it's $3,000 or $4,000 at a time. If I were you, I would definitely wait until things calm down. Wait till you go down to about maybe 210, 200. Because if we do have a violent drop, I have a feeling it's going to go down to about 200 max, maybe 180. But if you're going to invest that kind of money, I would hold off until those levels. Right now, guys, I was a little bit of a panic buy today because I didn't know if it was going to go back up again or not. But I would definitely do your due diligence and use your common sense. Well, we're going to go to your number one coin, which is Bitcoin. You got a total market cap of about 130 trillion, it looks like. We're at about 7,394.44. And we are up 1.13%. Let's take a look at your 24-hour. Oh, come on. Don't start this with me again. Okay. There we go. That's what I want to see. Okay. But I don't want to see that. Okay. You know, guys, I'm wondering, does anybody think that it's possible Bitcoin can ever lose its number one coin spot? And can anybody possibly let me know in the comments below what are the odds of Bitcoin being dethroned as the number one coin on the market cap? Oh, come on. What are the odds of Bitcoin being overthrown as the number one spot on the market cap? And let me know, who do you think, what coin do you think is going to be the coin that actually does it? Will it be Ethereum? Is Ethereum strong enough to someday overtake Bitcoin in market cap? That would be very interesting. Let me know what you think. Okay, guys. You started out the day at about, for BTC, God, this is moving painfully slow. 72.49, then you kind of shot up a little bit. 73.72, so then you kind of retraced. I'm going to call this your low. 71.18.89. And then you kind of spiked up again here. 71.89 is going to be your low. And say 73.85 so far is going to be your high. So Bitcoin is in a bit of a, no, actually 7,400. We've been above 74.26. So I'm going to say 74.26 is your high. And we're just in a bit of a consolidation phase right now for Bitcoin. I do smell a run coming, but as I said, I think everything is way overbought right now. So if you're thinking about jumping in, like if you start to see the markets go up like I do and you start panic buying, just use your common sense. Don't get in a hurry. I'm going to monitor it tonight. And if I think this market's going to start losing steam, I'm going to get out of my Ethereum. And I might just wait till tomorrow's bloodbath, because it always is a bloodbath. Well, just about. It's always a bloodbath on Saturday. I've noticed in Saturday it's sell-off all the way up to about Sunday afternoon. And then around Sunday evening is when you start seeing a recovery. So just be smart with your money and don't buy with your emotions. Well, guys, this is Crypto Vision. I do apologize for all the slow-moving computer stuff. I hope you guys have a great Friday evening, and I will see you guys tomorrow. This is Crypto Vision signing off. Peace out.